Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe, like and share. This is Sugar. Today we are making cake with olive oil, no butter, just olive oil. This inspiration is my son idea. So please make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can get all the step. So I'm adding olive oil to the sugar. Blend for few minutes. We are using blender, we are not using mixer, so you don't even need blender on this cake. So this was after a few minutes. Add your eggs, so let me know what you think on the comment section. Have you tried olive oil on your cake? Blend again for a few minutes. I add extra one egg because I feel that that four egg was not enough. Please support my video by like, subscribe, comment and share to friends and family. See how smooth it is. So we are using liquid milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Any milk you have available, you can use it. Add it to the mixture. Add your vanilla baking powder. Blend again for a few minutes. So now we are going to transfer this to a clean bowl. The cake was so easy and so fast. So this is our flour. Make sure your flour. I'm going to leave all the measurements of ingredients on the description box so you can check down and get all the measurements. Add gradually and combine very well. Make sure you mix it very well so that it will be smooth, it will not have any lumps. So this white chocolate chips is optional. Mix again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave your comment. So I'm trying to trim out this paper because I always like adding paper to my palm so that my cake don't stick to my palm. Make sure you use any baking pan you have available. So I'm also using this small cupcake cup. Oh, my kids cannot wait for this cake. Both of them were just singing on the background. I have to mute their voice. So now it's time for you to start to portion them. My daughter hand is trying to like, mommy, give it to me, I want to do it. My son was just busy singing because this cake was all his idea. Mama cake, mama cake. I don't have this, mama cake. Started looking for all the ingredients. So I was tired. I said, okay, let's make something new. So that was how this idea came about of using this olive oil to make this tasty and soft yummy cake according to my son. Time to bake. Our cake is ready. So you can use knife or you use skewer to know if the cake is ready. Once you see your knife or skewer come out plain, you will know that the cake is ready. But if it has stain on it, know that it's not ready. You have to return it back to the oven and bake very well. And you must bake on a low medium heat. So I have to cut it. It was so soft and tasty. See how nice it comes out. Very soft. Soft inside and outside. I hope you try this recipe and let me know what you think about this recipe on the comment section. You can also share your video with me. Enjoy with friends and family. This can be eaten for breakfast. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And do well to watch my other video. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.